We have another one finished up here, Innovative Car Sound 2016 Toyota Tundra. Customer came in with a factory screen that was not powering on. Show you what that looks like. The truck is not that old, but for some reason this radio would not turn back on. So we took it out and replaced it with this Pioneer 7-inch Bluetooth touchscreen. It is a motorized screen. If you need to tilt it, if you're getting some kind of glare as you're driving, you can move it forward and backwards. To load and remove a disc, you select that button right there. Screen goes down and the slot is right back here. There's a DVD. This one will play originals and bootlegs. We also added the adapters to retain the factory backup camera. So we go into reverse and the backup camera will kick in. Now we park it, it goes away. The video has been bypassed so you can watch movies on the go. We added the adapter to retain the steering wheel control buttons. Raise and lower the volume here, left and right on your tracks, and up and down for your presets on the radio station. The backup camera has been set up to be able to activate it with the reverse and through this button right here on the screen. If we select it, it'll activate the camera and we are in park. Same thing if we go in to drive, move the shifter down into drive, and then select the button again. There's the camera. We are in drive. Select X to get out of there. Now we'll go to the radio. Got your presets here on the left hand side. And like I mentioned before, I can move the presets with my arrows up and down. And I can change the presets by pushing and holding till it beeps. Got 6 presets here. Got FM1, FM2, FM3, and then 6 to choose from on the AM side. 6 to save actually. You have 18 presets on the FM and 6 on AM. We'll go to your settings. Here we can go and change the inputs and outputs. Camera, turn it on and off. Here we can change the background colors and illumination, the theme. The background is this that you're seeing back here. Change that. The illumination, the colors that you see here down at the bottom, it's on scroll. If we want to select just one solid color, we can. Factory dash lights on this truck are white, so we'll go with white. Background, we'll keep that one. And the EQs would be this guy right here. I'll set it up as vocal today. Customer can make changes if they want to. You've got your fader, your mute, subwoofer control, on and off. Scroll to access more menu settings. Here you can change listening levels, your crossover, bass boost, loud. We have car audio for all budgets here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6. Closed on Sunday. This is a 2016 Toyota Tundra, 7-inch Pioneer touchscreen.
Don't tell Monkey.
We'll see you guys on the next one.
Jack Black.
Go ahead, Panda. Show us what you can do.
Okay, yeah, I mean, I just ate, so I'm still digesting, so my kung fu might not be as good as later on.
DreamWorks Kung Fu Panda.
How's that?